Cracking the code to viral car sales content? It's not magic, it's method. Step 1. Hook fast or lose fast. Your first 3 seconds make or break you. Show the car, show the deal, or show something that makes a scroll stopper out of a scroller. Step 2. Talk human, not dealership. Drop the stock phrases. No one cares about your best deals in town. Say what the buyer is actually thinking. Can this fit my whole crew? Is this gonna guzzle gas? Get real, and they'll lean in. Step 3. Video over everything. Reels, TikToks, stories. They're the engine of reach. Show off features, do fast tours, or drop a quick myth-busting tip. Low production, high engagement, don't overthink it, just post it. Step 4. Jump on trends, but make them yours. Use trending sounds and filters, but keep the content relevant. A side-by-side of the car's glow-up? Perfect. A day in the life of a salesperson? Even better. Step 5. Call your shot. End every video with a CTA. DM to test drive, tap the link, or tag someone who needs this car. Engagement fuels the algorithm, so fuel it on purpose. And finally, post consistently. You don't go viral by posting once, you go viral by showing up, testing what works, and doubling down on what pops. If you're ready to stop guessing and start growing, hit that subscribe button. We break down social selling one strategy at a time. Without the fluff, let's go.